Symptoms of diabetes, causes and type of diabetes. While talking about diabetes, you may be frightened from the idea that you may have it. Or maybe, you may have it in the future. You want to know if you are at risk to develop diabetes, and anxiously you're looking to find if you have any diabetes symptom. Symptoms of diabetes, causes and type of diabetes. While talking about diabetes, you may be frightened from the idea that you may have it. Or maybe, you may have it in the future. You want to know if you are at risk to develop diabetes, and anxiously you're looking to find if you have any diabetes symptom. On the other hand, there are some other symptoms of diabetes that are prescribed as diabetes complications. In fact, these symptoms are vision changes, recurrent skin infections very difficult to heal, tingling or numbness you may feel in your extremities, gums disorders, hair loss, and many others. There are two different types of diabetes. Type I diabetes, juvenile diabetes or insulin-dependent diabetes. The reason for type I diabetes is due to pancreas' inability to produce insulin. Type 2 diabetes, non-insulin-dependent diabetes or adult-onset diabetes. This diabetes is a result of body tissues becoming resistant to insulin. It is usually hereditary. Type 2 diabetes is more common than type 1 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a lifelong disease marked by high levels of sugar in the blood. Conditions associated with type 2 diabetes include hyperglycemia and hypoglycemia. Type 2 diabetes may account for about 90% to 95% of all diagnosed cases of diabetes. Up to 2/3 of people with type 2 diabetes have no symptoms. Obesity is the single most important risk factor for type 2 diabetes. An estimated 20% of all cases of new-onset type 2 diabetes are in individuals between the ages of 9 to 19. The more you know about type 2 diabetes, the more you'll be able to take the right steps to take control of your condition. If neglected, diabetes can lead to various complications such as damage to the kidneys, heart disease, nerve damage, hypoglycemia, drastic reduction in glucose levels. Diabetes is a serious disease and there is no treatment of it. However, it can be brought under control by proper diet.